Hey, welcome back to another episode of 501 BBQ. I'm Brian Robinson. We have a special guest here today, Smiley Mondragon with Smiling Dragon BBQ. Smiley, thanks for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having me, guys.
So what are we going to cook up today? A little tri-tip?
A little tri-tip with some Big Papa Smoker rubs on the Gateway drum.
All right, sounds good. So let's get this thing going. All right, Smiley, what are we going to use here?
What we have here is a little cash cow from Big Papa Smokers. Basically, it is a all beef rub, anything beef, steak, brisket, tri-tip. We're going to use it today as our first layer on the tri-tip here. We like to give it a good hefty coat. Give her a good pat. And we're going to use our double secret steak. Good coat. Pat her down.
So you're just patting that in, getting that just where it sweats in quicker by just patting it?
Yeah, you know, a lot of people say that you rub the meat, but most of the time I just pat. I don't do a lot of rubbing to take the rub off. And then lastly, we're going to put some of this Hallelujah, which is jalapeno seasoned salt. We're just going to do a light coat of this. It just gives it that extra little pop.
That sounds good. So
We're
just going to let this hang out, and I guess we'll do the other side, and then once we get all that seasoned, we'll come back to y'all. Smiley's got this thing looking good. It's all seasoned up. So we are cooking on the Gateway drum, and so we are going to hang this thing. And so Smiley's going to show you how we're going to do this.
The way we're going to do it is we're going to put this hook here inside one of the thickest part of the tri-tip. Make sure we get a good grab onto it. And basically it's just going to hang like this on the drum.
And so our drum has a hanging rack in it, which you'll see here in just a second.
All right, so we got the tri-tip here. We got the drum, the Gateway drum smoker running at right a little over 300. We like to call a strong 300. So we're going to take it off here. Just hang her on. So we got the tri-tip here inside the drum. Like I said, we're running a strong 300. What we're going to do is just get it to an internal temp of about 127, 128. We'll check it here in about 30 minutes and see where we are internally, and we'll go from there. We'll see you in about 30 minutes.
All right, we're at our 30-minute update here, and the 30-minute update is...
It's done.
It's done. So we've seen 127 degrees on the Thermopin. So we're going to get this thing off. You will come in here and take a look at this thing hanging one last time. And we're just going to set it in a pan, and we're just going to let it hang out for probably 10 to 15 minutes just to kind of let it rest, quit cooking. And I guess we'll see y'all at the cutting board when it's time to slice this thing up.
All right, guys, so this has been resting here for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're getting ready to slice her up and see how it turned out.
Well, it looks good to me.
Oh, yeah. Going across the grain here.
Favorite part right here.
What do you think, Brian?
I think it's good.
Cheers.
Cheers. That is awesome. Man, that tri-tip turned out fantastic. Nice job, Smiley.
Thank you.
So just to recap what we did a little bit, we had this tri-tip. We cooked it on the Gateway drum smoker. We hung it in there, and it took right at 30 minutes to reach that 127 degrees internal that we're looking for. So that was a pretty quick cook, and we cut it up. It tasted good, had awesome flavor. We used the Big Papa Smoker seasonings, and Smiley said this is what you use a lot, I guess?
This is what we use a lot at the house. We keep these three always in the pantry.
Awesome. So where can people find you? I know you've got Facebook, Instagram, and you do post a lot on that.
I do. I have Facebook, just Smiley Mondragon or Smiling Dragon Barbecue. Also have Instagram under Smiley_Mondragon. And that's pretty much where we post a lot. We try to do a lot of competition stuff and backyard. This is stuff like this is a pretty quick after
Yeah.
work dinner.
Yeah. So Smiley runs some good pages. You see some good stuff, but I'll put links to all of his pages down in the description. So Smiley, we appreciate you hanging out
Yeah.
with us, and
Thanks for
hopefully we
having
can
me.
do this again sometime. But you can check us out at 501 BBQ on Facebook, Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that little notification bell where you don't miss any future videos. And hey, we'll see y'all on the next one.